Hi, friends. So this week in science, we're talking about the Earth, the Sun, the Moon, and outer space. So I wanted to read to you guys this book, The Earth and Sky. The Earth. This is Earth, our planet. From the space shuttle far out in space, it looks like a small blue-green globe. Watch the picture. The Earth is wrapped in the air we breathe and surrounded by moist white clouds. Our atmosphere is made up mostly of two gases, nitrogen and oxygen. All living things need oxygen to survive. From space, the 7 continents look like little islands floating in a giant sea. Nearly 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Dry land, majestic mountains, and low-lying plains makes up the rest. Now watch. Look. Below Earth's surface, there are many different layers of rock. Deep beneath the rock, Earth's core is red hot. People, animals, and plants live above the ground. Many animals even burrow underground. All living things need oxygen to breathe and water to drink. Look at all of those animals underground. For millions and millions of years, rivers and streams have flowed over the Earth's surface. River. Look at that. As the water seeped into cracks in the earth, it wore away rock to form these caves and underground streams. Ever since there has been a planet Earth, volcanoes have been erupting on it. Sometimes smoke, ash, and steam blast out of volcanoes. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust. During some eruptions, hot melted rock formed deep in the Earth's core. In the Earth's cores flows out of the mouth of the volcano. The hot molten rock is called lava. That was my cat Guinevere. Some of you guys already know her. She is going over to the window. During the daytime, sunlight shines upon the earth. Look, the bright sun. And there's our planet Earth. That's where we live. That's how big the sun is. It's crazy. The earth travels around the sun, our source of light and warmth. The earth also rotates or spins on its axis. The countries that are turned toward the sun get daylight. The earth spins on a tilt. The sun cannot heat the whole world evenly. The north and south poles are always cold, even in summer. The South Pole is the coldest place on Earth. The equator is halfway between the North and South Poles. The equator gets a lot of heat from the sun, and it is always hot at the equator. Earth has just one moon. On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon. Look, there's the astronaut. From Earth, we only see the part of the moon that reflects the sun's bright light. The moon revolves around Earth just as Earth revolves around the sun. Sometimes the moon looks like a big circle in the sky. We call this a full moon. As the month goes on, we see less and less of the moon. We can only see the part of the moon that is reflecting the light of the sun. As the moon moves around the Earth, our planet blocks the sunlight from a part of the moon's surface. That makes the moon appear to change its shape. Groups of stars seem to make shapes in the sky. Can you see any star pictures? Let's see if they show us any. Oh, look at that. The white lines show the Big Dipper, the Little Dipper, and the North Star. The solar system. Spacecraft have already taken pictures of many of the planets that revolve around our sun. Perhaps someday you will be able to visit one of the other 8 planets in our solar system. How exciting would that be? If you were an astronaut on the moon, you'd see the Earth softly glowing in a dark sky. The end.